Hello everybody and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be showing you all of the little things, tips, tricks, toys that I have to keep my children occupied for a full 4-hour flight. So stay tuned. This is not a how-to. This is not a how-to because I've never done this before. I have not traveled with my two children before. Actually, well, it doesn't count because Remy was like a newborn. But I haven't traveled with my kids, both of them, ever. And I'm really a little bit nervous. My son Levi is 5 years old and my daughter Remy is 2 going on 3. And we are heading to New York, so it's about a 4-hour flight and I need to keep them occupied for the entire time. And I think Levi will be well behaved, but Remy I'm not so sure about. I think she's gonna maybe be a little bit scared, and because of her age she's not sitting on my lap. Lord of mercy. Anyway, so I got this really cool suitcase. Alright, links in the description. Alright, there's this suitcase here. Now you can see it's shaped a little funny, and that's because this is going to be my hand luggage. But Levi is gonna sit here. There's a little strap here to go around his back for safety. And then I'm going to pull him. So it's like a ride-on. Anyway, you can check out the description on Amazon. And there's like a little knob for him to hold his hands onto and little knobs for him to rest his feet on. So I think this is really cool. It's very sturdy. I got it in yellow because I don't know, because I hate the color yellow, so I don't know why, but this big thing can't stay right here, so this can't stay. Oh my god. Alright, so the ride-on is pretty cool, but it's a little bit cumbersome and it's heavy, but there's nothing I can do about that right now. So I've opened it here, so I'm going to be showing you what I have packed inside, which everything right now is totally less like discombobulated, which is annoying me. Alright, anyway, in one section I will have, of course, their iPads fully charged, and I need to remember to download like some shows, download some games that don't need Wi-Fi to work, and then I will have their earphones. I don't know what our parents did before iPad, but I don't want to know. I don't business, like my kids use iPad. Yes, they have limitations and restrictions on the times, but they use iPad because God knows, I don't know what to do without my iPad. I have a jacket for each of them, so I have Levi's jacket. I have Remy's jacket, so in case they get cold, I can give them their jackets. Just for space-wise, I have a picnic blanket because we're going to New York, so we will be having a picnic in Central Park. So I just packed the picnic blanket in here, which it's nice and clean, and so if on the plane they get cold, I can just snuggie them up as a blanket. That's actually a really good idea. That's an excellent idea right now. It was leftover decoration from Stevie's birthday, so yeah, I didn't even think of using it as a blanket. Yo, I'm so clever. Sometimes when I'm checking out at the pharmacy or I go to a store or I'm online and I see things on sale, I'll pick them up and I'll just put them aside. And this was one of those loop bag fillers, little toys that I put aside. So it's a little small. They're very small. Mom is like, you can't take that. They're gonna lose all the places all over the place. I'm like, if it shuts them up for 20 minutes, I don't care if every piece gets lost. So it's a little like puzzle pieces like so. Can you even see that? And you can just connect them and build and make something and be quiet. So it comes in a tube, 72 pieces, and you can build whatever. Levi is actually pretty good at puzzles, so I just packed this in here. Okay, so 71 pieces because that piece is gone. I actually don't know how I'm going to open this on the plane. This thing is very big and discombobulatory. So this is the bag. It has 2 sections here, so you can clip this down. Clip down this section. Zippered pocket. And not forget the poop tag. And there's the handle. This is a little knob for him to hold his hand on, rest your foot. You can strap him on for safety. It's a little cumbersome, but it's very cute. And the wheels are 360 spin. Anyway, whatever. All right, so what I would do is as soon as we get into our seats, I will give Levi his pack and Remy her pack. So in a Ziploc bag, I've marked Levi's name on it, and I've put a few things that I think will keep him quiet. As I said, he likes puzzles, so I have a little dinosaur puzzle in here for him. I also got a, what is this, a coloring book? Oh no, he likes to draw and write, so I got like it comes with a calculator, a pencil, a sharpener, a couple markers, the book, the stickers. So I have this blank sheet book for him here, so he can color, make paper planes, whatever it may be. Oh, here is another piece of the pack. It's just a notepad. Came with a calculator. Does this have batteries? I mean, not that he needs to add it. Oh no, it doesn't have any batteries. That sucks. I'm not gonna put back. What does he need to? He don't need to add nothing. He's going to pretend this is a phone. This came in the pack with the Marvel Comics notepads and stuff. Also in that pack was 2 pencils, a rubber. I actually believe I got some of this stuff at the stationery store in the plazas. I'll put a link below to where they are. Yes, actually I did, because this little notebook here is from the stationery store. So it's just a notebook with, I don't know who this guy is on the front. Tortoro. They can write, they can play tic-tac-toe. Here's a sharpener for the pencils. Also came in the Marvel pack. And now we have some toys. So while I've been putting these things together, I have not let them see what I've bought. I've not let them see what they'll be getting, because I want them to kind of be quiet and just look in your pack. So Levi has a little motorcycle here. There's also this stress ball. I got like a pack of, I don't know what it is I typed in Amazon, but it came like a whole bag of like pop sockets and stuff, and I just divided them up into the 2 bags. These little guys here, I've had these for a while, for when I used to travel with Levi. He loves these, and I would just do puppets and be like, hey, you're on your seatbelt, don't give your mommy trouble or she'll beat you. Just joking, she can't beat you. We're going to the United States. She can't beat you. Ha ha. She gonna pinch you, bro. She gonna give you one big pinch. So shut up and sit down, or you're gonna get a pinch. Just joking, guys. I'm not gonna pinch my son. Like the video. Like. Oh, I think this is a pencil topper. It has a hole at the bottom here. There we go. And it's an octopus. Just very, very silly little things. Stress reliever, you know, the one where you push out the keys. Then we have this guy here. I actually don't know where this came from. There's a bag, or there's a little storage container that I have of things that I used to take with me when I used to travel with Levi. Levi's been to Miami a few times. Levi's been to Cayman. Levi's been to Canada, so he has traveled before. So I would just have like things in a box that I would just grab out and organize. So this was in there, so I'm not sure where we got this, but he hasn't seen it in a while, which is good. Then we have this fidget spinner that came in the pack of things that I bought for the 2 of them, that coincidentally has the Statue of Liberty. So it's a fidget spinner pop socket thing. Kids love those. More of the little, your mommy is gonna pinch you guys. Oh, another pencil topper in a fish. Oh, okay. And then I don't know what these are, but I'm sure the kids will love them. It's like a little slinky sort of ring. This gets trapped in my hair, I am done for. So that was in Levi's bag here. And let's go through Remy's bag. But you know I'm crazy, right? So I have to pack all of this back. So 1 second. All right, so that was Levi's little pack ready to go. And the only thing that I need to add to this that is, for me, a must-have is Play-Doh. My kids love Play-Doh, and they're actually not allowed Play-Doh at home because it makes such a mess. The bits get rubbed into the couch. Like, I cannot stand Play-Doh, and I don't know if it's because I don't like it, why they love it. But anyway, I'm gonna buy some little pods of Play-Doh and put in there, because Play-Doh will keep them quiet. Play-Doh will especially keep Remy quiet for a very long time. Cutie. All right, in Remy's pack now, she has, and they each have different needs because they're different ages, but at the same time, Remy wants what Levi has, and Levi going to want what Remy has. So I try to keep things similar, but, you know, exciting for their age group. So Remy has here This is a Crayola whiteboard. So I have some dry erase markers on the cloth and she can write and erase. And hopefully they'll share. Oh, dear Lord. I must tell you, I'm very nervous because I think they give me the most trouble when they're at home with me, and that's when they take liberty. When they go out in public, they're very well behaved. This is a little activity book that I got at the stationery store. So she can do some homework, some letters, circle the dots, circle the whatever, join the dots, whatever it may be. Because you know when Levi take out him book and start writing names, she's gonna be like, I want to do it too. So it's okay, Remy, I got you, girl. She also has the same little notebook in case she would like to write as well. Then she has her heart pop socket. Kids love these. And then And then Levi had the pea. Remy has the peanut. Stress reliever. These kids and their stress relievers. And then, oh, this is cool. So, magnetic rings, and I guess you can, I'm not sure, she'll figure it out. These things, I mean, when I was packing them, I thought they looked fun, so, and then that weird thing again, that just kind of like rolls on your finger. And these cute little finger puppets. So Remy has some, Levi has some, so they can put on a play. This thing. I find that, and why I picked the bag on Amazon that had like the fidget spinners and these kind of, I don't know what kind of toys you call these things, but I find it will keep them busy. Like they'll try to figure it out. They'll try to, you know, be like, what is this for? So I thought they were interesting, so that's why I got them. So that's what's in Remy's little bag, but I still have more. So let me pack this up and we continue to go through. So Levi's a little older and he's more responsible. So he has pencils and an eraser in his little pack. But Remy now, I need to watch her more carefully because I think the worst thing to do would be to leave a space, leave an area, leave your seat, and your kids have totally destroyed or written on the surfaces. Like, no. So in this container here, we have crayons, and I'll be able to see, you know, what Remy's taking out, what she's using, so that I can monitor her a little bit more. So we have jumbo crayons. We have 16 jumbo crayons in all the colors, so they can color whatever they want to their heart's desire. We have a jumbo pencil sharpener and regular size pencil sharpener. We have 2 erasers, and we have jumbo pencils. So we have a pencil case going on right here, so both kids can color. I saw this at one of the local stores out here while I was checking out. It is a travel size Jenga. You know, all of these things have a lot of little pieces. I'm going to be losing stuff all over the, no, don't say that, don't say that, don't say that, don't say that, don't say that. As long as they're quiet, as long as they're quiet. So I got a travel Jenga. A convertible. Actually, I remember this. This is more for memories. This is a little car. This is cool. This is a travel spirograph. So, spirograph, yeah. So, I don't know if anybody remembers. I remember this from my childhood days. So, you put a piece of paper in, and then you use your pencil or your pen, and it makes like all kind of circle shapes inside. So, when you open it, you have 2 different colored pencils. You have the little plates that go in here. Then you have the paper. I thought this was really cool. I'll definitely be using this. And then remember, I want to do it too. A large pop socket, so you can pop away, keep yourself quiet, de-stress. Wiki sticks for doodlers. I don't know what this is. So this comes in this tube. So it's just like tons of little sticks. I think it said like 50. So you separate these, and then they're bendy. I guess they're made out of wax. And you can make things. Here somebody's making a glass as a cowboy. You just twist them together and twist them into shapes. Yeah. Lots of little exciting things to keep them very busy. So there we go, some wiki sticks. And these things, like when you're checking out, you know, there'll be times where especially today, sorry, this video is coming out too late for that. That's not a fart, hold on, that's a suitcase. She's You subscribed? You subscribed? Okay, cool. Just checking. All right, cool. Sometimes when I'm on Amazon, I will look around to see on my homepage what's for sale. I will look around just to see, search toddlers, toddler toys, and little things like this will come up. And this is great to just have in your arsenal. Sometimes if I'm wrapping a birthday present, I can put something cute on top, or this can be the present. Actually, no, this is a terrible present. You need more for a present. But I have little things like this that I've bought, and now I'm just packing them all into my bag. A dinosaur. Always need a dinosaur. You always need a dinosaur. Make sure you have a dinosaur. Magnetic bingo. So, to be honest with you, some of these things I haven't opened. I think it will be cool for me to, you know, kind of like explore with them and read along with them what it is at the same time. But magnetic bingo, I can pretty much figure out what it is. There's some cards inside, and then we're gonna say, and you have the little markers, and we can play bingo. And this is pretty cool because all four of us will be able to play. A couple activity books. So we have a jumbo book of hidden pictures. So there's activities, and we can all do this together. Everybody can grab a crayon. How much hours we got now? 3? Yeah, oh good, we're good. And of course, you know me, I love a scrapbook. I love a scrapbook. I love a scrapbook. And you know what? I feel like Levi loves scrapbooks too. Levi, I have to check his school bag every day. Well, I check his school bag every day. And there's always little bits of paper. He's made something. He's colored something. He's written a note. He's very artistic. And I know he will really appreciate this scrapbook. And I remember she's going to need one too. She's going to need one too because I don't... So I have one for each child. We can color in them, we can write in them, whatever it may be. One for Levi and one for Remy. When I'm traveling, I find it very important to use a car seat. When I'm traveling, I find it very important, safety. So when I was traveling with Levi, I had a seat belt or a harness for the plane seat. Now, you only have a lap belt on the plane seat. And I find that there's way too much wiggle room. My kids are used to a 5-point harness from their car seat, and I do want them to be safe, and I do want them to feel like this is how you're supposed to travel, and sit back and shh. Like the video, like. So I bought this, and this worked really, really well for Levi. So I bought another one for Remy, and while they're sitting in their seat, they will be using this harness. So this red part goes around the top of the plane seat, and I will just make sure that at the back of my chair or the back of their chair, it's not blocking the television screen. And if somebody is sitting there, I will just say, hi, good morning. I hope you don't mind. I put this strap here. It's a harness for my kids. Is it blocking you in any way? And usually I don't get any complaints as long as I make sure it's not blocking their tray table. It's not blocking the screen for them to watch TV. A strap across their seat shouldn't really trouble them. So, but I do ask first, and I do say good morning and ask. And then, so once you have the red part around the seat, these two black pieces hang down, right? And now these black pieces hang down, and you hook them into the seat belt at the waist. And now you're, you know what this cumbersome is, man? Sure you know what a 5-point harness is? How can I do this? No, this is not how you do it though. Oh, okay. All right, so this is around the seat, the top of the seat. So this goes down here. Then you put the waist seat belt in here, and now you strap them in. Their little head is here, and they're now way safer than before. So, and this, when this first came out, this was like $70. I was able to get Remy's own the other day for way less. This is not for car travel. This is just for the plane seat. I find it very helpful because when it was just the waist belt alone, I find Levi was a little bit too wiggly. So yeah, link will be in the description to where you can get your plane harness. Don't drop. And then I have a wet bag here, and in my wet bag I have 2 changes of clothes for Remy and a change of clothes for Levi. So, and I just leave it here in the wet bag. And actually, you know what? I'm going to put a Ziploc bag in here because if anything gets wet, I don't want to put the wet clothes in here with the clean clothes. I still have a couple more days and I'm still packing. But that is what is in their pull along suitcase with them, the foolishness. I do have a handbag with like their snacks and a few other things. Should I go through that? Yes, I should. All right, let me pack up everything here and I'll show you what I also have in my handbag to keep them quiet. Oh my gosh. Wish me luck, eh? Wish me luck. Okay, so I'm trying to keep my kids quiet for 4 hours. And then I also have to remember too that I don't really want to use everything on the first flight going to, because I also have a 4-hour flight coming back. We're actually breaking up the flight coming back because we will be leaving Manhattan to go to upstate New York to Legoland. So we are breaking up the flight just so that it's actually more convenient. Anyway, in my handbag, I decided to use my Never Full because it fits a lot. However, what was happening with the Never Full was that the straps are so skinny that they were hurting my shoulder. So I got this cool shoulder protector. So it will help me, because the bag is heavy because I packed it up with so much stuff. It will help me to just be a little bit more comfortable because these little skinny straps not cutting it. This is one of the bigger bags that I have, so I decided to use this one, and I really like this bag because it holds so much. And it's really better. You subscribed? You subscribed? Okay, cool, just checking. Alright, cool. Oh, what a belch. Excuse me. Okay, so I'm just gonna really go through what I have in here for the kids because my stuff really and truly is not necessary. So I have, and remember I'm not finished packing. So I have this, I love this bag. I thought this was such a good purchase. Can you come out the way? Snacks! So it's bigger than a Ziploc bag. It says snacks, so you know what's in it. It's clear, so you can see what's in it. I think this is a great size for a snack bag, and I like when everything has its own compartment. I like when everything has its own container. Just, yeah. So I have some crackers. I have some, I probably won't be able to go through with the juice. Hopefully they'll think it's just a yogurt pouch and leave me alone. I have some Snickers for me, Starburst for me, dry crackers for the kids. And then I found this really cool, it's like a disposable bottle. Never used this before. It seems to be very secure. I hope that this can come out so secure. What is man? Oh, okay. Wow. Anyway, so we have a disposable bottle. I have the rest of them in the big suitcase. So just in case Remy is giving me any trouble, she needs a little soothing, I have the single packs of her formula here and the disposable bottle here. And you know, I don't think it's supposed to keep pulling off like that. Anyway, I hope it don't leak. And yes, it's supposed to use it once and just throw it away, but I'm definitely going to use them 1 or 2 or 3 times because I don't like that. I have some more snacks to pack in here. Like right now I just have a lot of candy for me, but I need more snacks for the kids. But I'm going to the supermarket tomorrow and I will look out for that. I also have a Ziploc bag here, and in the Ziploc bag I have a few bibs, just some disposable bibs. I've had this for quite some time. It's like a placemat or something, but you use this to cover the tray table. I guess for sanitary reasons, you know, kids want to like rest out their food on the tray table, and the tray tables are gaudy disgusting. So this is called a table topper, and it has Sesame Street. It also has what do you call it, tape along all 4 sides. So I pull off the tape, rest it on their tray table, and now they can put their snacks and they can watch Elmo. So yeah. I also have a few shout wipes in here, and these little towelettes, once you add water, they just expand. So if there's any spills, this is really good to have. Or if you want to, I don't know what else you do with these, but anyway. So they're just some little dry towelettes and they expand in water. What else do I have for the kids? I have a small, I believe this is only 8-ounce water bottle. I will put some warm water in. I will put some warm water in here to make up Remy's bottle. Usually if you're traveling with a child, they do allow you a certain amount of liquids because you have a child, like, give me a break. So I will use the warm water in here to make her bottle. And then this will stay in my bag just to have water throughout the day that the kids can sip on, and hopefully they'll think it's so cool to use mommy's really cool small water bottle. What else do I have in here? Of course, I have tons of wipes. I have face wipes. I have regular wet wipes. I have face wipes. What else do I have for them? I have tissues. I have their little medical pack. So if anything is itching, hurting, whatever, you know, I have Panadol. I have Neosporin. I have Band-Aids. I have anti-itch. I have a itch relief stick. I have sunblock, all in here. I thought this one was important to keep in my handbag. The rest of their vitamins and medications I will put in my checked luggage. So this is, I guess, the bathroom pack. So in my bathroom pack here, I have toilet seat covers. Remy is potty trained, except in the night she wears a diaper. She is potty trained. She's gonna ask me to use the bathroom, and New York bathrooms are disgusting. They're disgusting. And even if we go into a restaurant and I just don't want my child's legs, bottom, whatever touching the toilet. So this is like a full sheet to go over the toilet, and I put it over the toilet. She sits on this on the toilet, and then once the toilet is being flushed, the sheet just goes in and it's biodegradable. I have regular tissues. I have trash bags. I have what are these called again? Antibacterial wipes. And I have a few urinal bags. So next thing you know, we're on our lovely picnic, enjoying ourselves in the middle of Central Park, and Remy or Levi says, I need to wee-wee, and there's no bathroom, or there's the most disgusting bathroom ever. I'm going to find a way to just, I don't know, I guess, I don't know how I'm gonna do this, but I will shield them, and then they just wee-wee into this bag. How does this work? Okay. So this bag has this magical thing in here, and this is supposed to absorb, I don't remember how much, but it's supposed to absorb quite a bit of liquid. And you see how it's shaped? I can just cup it onto your private parts, onto Remy's private parts. I just cup it onto her private part. She pees in the bag, and I can seal it and throw it away at my earliest convenience. I do have a girlfriend who I found out about these, where she was like, listen, when I'm in the plane, I don't use the plane bathroom. Plane bathroom is the most disgusting thing ever, especially if you're in economy. So she used to have these, and her son would just pee right at his seat, and then she'd wipe his hands with some antibacterial wipes. And she's like, he's not touching everywhere in the bathroom where 70 other people have touched. She's like, it's disgusting, peeing here. And then when she gets out into the airport, she just throws it away. Way better. So that's what's in my bathroom pack. But right now, that's it. I also have some hand sanitizer, and I have a few extra masks. I'm not finished packing yet. I do have a few chargers, and I'm just gonna look through. As you know, I have my list book, so I'm just going through and ticking off. I do need to up on the snacks, and so far that's it. And I'm hoping that this will keep them quiet and calm for 4 hours. I do have some earplugs as well, just because I'm really trying to think of Remy, because I do know she's, although she's rough and tough and rebel Remy, she's a real little softy at heart, and I don't want her to feel afraid, because I know she's gonna be, Mommy, I'm so scared. So I'm trying to just keep her comfortable, keep her happy, keep Levi entertained, keep him comfortable and keep him happy, and make sure that we all have a wonderful trip. I'm going to put some links in the description to all of the things that you've seen here today. Some of the things I bought locally, so you can check your local stores to see what items you can use to keep your kids busy. And remember to, pack their favorite things. I will be packing Teddy and Dolly. Can't go nowhere without Teddy and Sugar. That's Levi's teddy bear and Remy's Dolly Sugar. But so far, I think I have it pretty much covered. I would definitely suggest, if you're traveling, to have a bathroom pack, just simply because it's out there is gross. I mean, I definitely would be using the wipes and stuff on myself when I go to the bathroom, just to make sure that, you know, my surroundings are nice and clean. And yeah, that's it, guys. Thank you so much for joining me for this week's YouTube video. I hope you found some things that are super useful, super handy, things maybe you didn't think of. And guys, please drop a comment down below if I'm missing anything. If you see something here that you're like, no, girl, you have to get this, please let me know down below. I need all the advice I can get. So let me know down below what else I need, and I will see you in next week's video. Bye, guys.
Hey guys, plane is moving.
Can you see anything out the window?
We're in a helicopter.
Hey!